Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we have a drone battle for the ages. On the left side, we've got the ATTOP drone. And on the right side, the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up, because this showdown is going to be as thrilling as a drone race at a family barbecue. Let's dive right in, shall we? First up, let's talk about cameras. The ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. Reviewers say it's like having your very own mini Michael Bay in the sky, perfect for capturing those epic moments. However, some users have noted that while the camera is clear, the overall quality is just decent. On the other hand, the TENSSENX drone brings the heat with a 4K ultra-clear camera. That's right, folks, 4K. Reviewers rave about the high-quality performance and images, making it ideal for those who want professional-grade shots. Plus, it has a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, making it a top choice for capturing stunning visuals. Next, let's talk about battery life. The ATTOP drone boasts 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp hours rechargeable batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the multiple batteries, but wish the flight time was longer. But hold your propellers! The TENSSENX drone steps it up with 2 batteries, offering a whopping 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are thrilled with the extended battery life, noting it's almost like watching an entire Netflix documentary while flying. Now, let's get into the cool stuff. Flight features. The ATTOP drone has some nifty tricks up its sleeves. It offers voice control, AV gesture for selfies, and even a 360 degrees flip. Reviewers find these features fun, but note some reliability issues. The TENSSENX drone can trace and follow you, fly along a path, and even circle around a point. It's basically the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Reviewers love its intelligent features, especially the GPS auto return, which ensures the drone won't get lost. Ease of use is crucial, especially for those of us who still struggle with assembling IKEA furniture. The ATTOP drone has one key return, altitude hold, and headless mode. Reviewers say it's perfect for beginners, but some have experienced malfunctions. The TENSSENX drone also keeps it simple with altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and one key takeoff landing. Plus, it has speed adjust, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. Reviewers appreciate its intuitive controls and smooth operation. Last but not least, portability. The ATTOP drone comes with a foldable design and a carrying case, making it as portable as your favorite travel mug. Reviewers find it convenient for spontaneous trips. The TENSSENX drone also scores high here with its foldable fuselage and a carrying case. Weighing under 250 grams, you won't need to register it with the FAA. Reviewers love the compact design and ease of transport. Overall, online reviews show that the ATTOP drone is appreciated for its ease of use and fun features, though some users have experienced malfunctions. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone receives praise for its high-quality camera, extended battery life, and versatile flight features, making it a favorite among beginners and enthusiasts alike. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone and the TENSSENX GPS drone both bring their A-game, but which one will you choose? Are you Team ATTOP with its fun features and affordability, or Team TENSSENX with its superior camera and flight time? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, stay smart, shoppers. Product links are in the description.